Today I'm going to give you an example of early ed, and we're going to talk to some 3-year-old girls about the birds and the bees. That's going to be really cute, so don't forget to watch that segment. Then we're going to talk to 2 boys. One boy is 4-year-old who said to a 6-year-old yesterday, "I hate you." And I think those are harsh words, but let's get to the bottom of this. Stay tuned. Sure, Tyler. Come here. Come here, Tyler. Okay. Come over here, Julian. Okay, no, don't take your arm out. Come here. Okay, you got it. Okay. Look at him. Now, what did you say Tyler said to you yesterday?
He said he hated me.
Okay, turn. You stand right there.
Okay.
And you stand right here. Did you say that? You said that? Why?
Because when I was trying to jump on the monkey bar, he laughed at me.
Did you do that?
No. Yes, he did.
You can't laugh at people. That hurts people's feelings. And you can't say that you hate people. That's a hard word. Can we not say that again? Yes or no?
No.
We won't say that again?
Nope.
Will you laugh at him again?
No.
You sure? Can you guys shake hands? Shake hands. Say, "Okay, partner."
Okay, partner.
What are you going to say? Say, "Okay, partner."
Okay, partner.
All right, good job. Thank you, boys. One's mad because he laughed at him because he couldn't do the monkey bars. And the other one said he didn't do it. But he really did. He laughed at him because he didn't get on the monkey bars. One is 4 and one is almost 7. How about that, people? Okay, I have something really exciting and funny for you to hear. We're going to talk to 3-year-olds today about the birds and the bees. Let's see what they know about the birds and the bees. Hilarious. Hi, guys. What is this? Did you guys write this?
No, that's the way that's spelled this.
Oh, you spelled that?
We tried to come
Where's your
up
paper, Ava?
I'm not I didn't think it.
You didn't bring your work? Okay, I have a question for you guys. Look over there at the, look right there. Turn around, look right there. Jamira, look over there. What is the birds and the bees? What is that about?
Is
Look over there. What's the birds and the bees? You guys know? Ba. What's the birds and the bees?
Bee.
Bees. That's the birds and the bees?
A bee.
A bee. Ava, what's the birds and the bees? Pa. You guys have to look over there. Look over there. So you guys don't know the birds and the bees?
Yes.
Do you guys know about ice cream?
Oh, I do like ice cream.
Look over there. Really? You like ice cream?
Yes.
What kind?
Vanilla and chocolate.
Danella. I love Danella. What kind do you like, Ava?
I like the red purple.
The red purple ice cream? What about you, Kendall?
I like green and blue. Green and blue.
Green and blue. Hey, you ain't supposed to talk to your mommy. You supposed to be talking to me. Green and blue ice cream, you seen that?
Uh-huh. No, that's not in the store.
That's not in the store?
No, it's pink.
Come right
It's
here.
strawberry.
Come, no, stand right there. Come stand over here. Look at me over here, guys. So, you like ice cream?
I like strawberries.
Does anybody like to go to school?
Yes.
Raise your hand.
Me.
Why you like to go to school, Kendall?
Because my friend was calling me because the dolphin says I need to go there.
One at a time. Why do you like school, Jamira?
Because I like the dolphins.
At school?
No, in the water.
But we don't have dolphins at our school.
No, in the zoo.
So you want me to take you to the zoo?
No, I want to ride a horse. Me too.
Okay, I'll bring some horse. You want to ride the horses? What do you like about horses?
My mommy
They
will
don't
bring
smell
my
good.
Horse?
Ava, why do you have that blue marker on your face? Who did that?
Not me.
Did mommy do that?
Mom,
Let me see. Move your hand. Mommy put that green marker on your eyebrows? Why did she do that?
She just was it.
She just washed your face And then she put the green marker on there? What? Your mommy?
My mommy was taking me to the zoo.
Mommy's going to take you to the zoo?
And my mommy put me on the horse.
Oh my God. Well, tell me about this.
Okay.
What about French fries and hamburgers?
I don't like that. I don't like that.
Chicken nuggets?
I only like chicken. I only like chicken nuggets. Ow! Chicken sticks.
Okay.
It's chicken sticks, but not chicken.
But are you guys smart or what? Are you smart?
Yes.
Yes. I think you guys are the...
Miss Gwen, today I'm about to go to sleep. Today I'm about to go to sleep.
Girl, you know you're not going to sleep. And you either. You ain't going to sleep today. Are you going to take a nap?
Yes.
You two talk to each other all the time at nap time.
Yes.
Don't they?
Huh?
All right. So look, guys.
Huh?
I got to go finish doing my work. You guys take your papers. This one is Jamira's. This one is Kennedy. Why do you guys have Kennedy's work? And somebody else's work. So y'all take this back. Give it to your teacher.
Okay.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thumbs up. Can you believe it? Can you believe? Those are 3-year-olds.